Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make lobster pasta. Start by gathering all your ingredients for a delicious lobster pasta. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh lobster, 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, and a selection of aromatic vegetables like shallots and garlic. Don't forget a good quality olive oil, fresh parsley, and a splash of white wine. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a fantastic meal. Now, let's cook our lobster. You can boil or steam about 1.5 pounds of live lobster for approximately 8 to 10 minutes until it turns a vibrant red. Once cooked, carefully remove the succulent meat from the tails and claws. Don't discard those shells. They are essential for creating a rich, aromatic lobster stock that will elevate the flavor of your pasta sauce to an incredible level. Next, we'll build our incredible sauce. In a large pan, sauté finely diced shallots and minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are fragrant, about 2 minutes. Deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup of dry white wine, then add about 2 cups of your homemade lobster stock. Let it simmer gently for 10 minutes, then stir in 1/4 cup of heavy cream for a luxurious finish. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Cook 8 ounces of your chosen pasta in well-salted water until it's perfectly al dente, usually around 9 to 11 minutes. Drain the pasta, reserving a 1/2 cup of the cooking water. Add the cooked lobster meat and the pasta directly to your simmering sauce. Toss everything gently to combine, adding a splash of pasta water if needed, and garnish with fresh parsley for a truly exquisite dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.